Hello guys, today we're going to review this Waterfall faucet. Alright, this is the installation instruction. Insert the faucet, put the mounting. Pretty basic installation. Of course you have to remove the old one. And then you have to insert it, the nut, then connect the waters and done. Right. So we're going to review the quality of the material today and see how sturdy it is. So we're going to pull it out. So you have the standard water connection, which is good. This one goes to the faucet, and then this for your water inlet. Should be two of this. Right. And the other one is right here. Cold, the blue, red, hot. Yeah, should be easy again. I don't know if you've installed one before, but these are easy to install. So remove this. Right, remove this. Then it has a gasket in there. Remove this thing. Okay. Pop it on your toilet. These are the securing screw. Make it secure. You can have somebody hold it like that. As you tighten it, and make sure it is still in line with your sink. Right, so in here, so the left one is hot, right is cold, so make sure you put the right water in there. Right, else you'll burn yourself if you put it too cold. Then this one. So this, I don't know if you have something like this before, but the way this works, you know how you have that handle to close the valve so you can fill up water. This one is a push type, so you have to push and it will keep the water in there, then push again to release. Now this should turn. Oh, not this. Okay, this should turn so you can clean hair that are caught up in there. Right? Alright guys, the material is pretty good. This is the same color as the faucet itself. I like it's a matte black. So waterfall coming out there. Pretty slick, pretty elegant. Material is really good. Highly recommend this, guys. Go get it.